that. The Ballet Cymru Associate Programme has been running for approximately 7 years. Initially, we started the programme to engage with young dancers who were living locally, who wanted to work or understand the more professional aspects of working in ballet, so to sort of understand the industry. The reach that we've had for the associates has grown and grown and grown, so we now get students coming from all over England, all over Wales, which is incredible. They meet once a month, and these students are really those young dancers that are on the career path to work in the ballet industry and who are learning through the associate programme what that kind of involves.
And then fourth. Otherwise we take too much time, we don't quite reach the height of the arabesque. So see if we can.
The associate programme, I'm doing it for 3 years now. I've loved it. I feel like I've really progressed throughout the whole entire thing. I've definitely come on from starting the associates to where I am now, and I'm loving every bit of it.
Turn around and we'll take a little balance. First, let's try to find the petit retiré devant. If you need to replace the bar, your hand on the bar, that's fine. We're going to take the leg to devant. See if you can find the balance.
Today is the performance of our 2017 and 2018 associates. So these are all the young dancers who auditioned on our programme back in June 2017. They were awarded places on the programme. They've been working with us every month for the past year, and today is their showcase, the performance of the work that they've been creating over the year. So some of that work has been choreographed. Emily Pym and Patricia Vallis have been choreographing for the dancers on the programme, and some of the work they've been creating themselves as well. So part of what they do here is they learn creative skills, and we really encourage them to develop their creativity and choreographic ideas, and then we like to incorporate that into the performance as well.
I've been with the Ballet Cymru Associates for 7 years, and it has changed my life so much. It's been so amazing. It's such a fantastic opportunity for young people that want to get in and then improve to become something more. I'm off to Rambert in September in London, and I couldn't have done it without Ballet Cymru. They've been so helpful, it's been so nice.
The associates will perform 2 ballet choreographies, 1 classical, it's called Allegro. The music's by Johann Sebastian Bach, and it's very lively, obviously, it's very fast, and I chose it because it's very challenging. The second piece is more neoclassical, complete contrast. It's also the piece the students had a lot of input into, so they help create, through individual tasks and through tasks in pairs, they help create the choreography.
This is my first year as an associate. It's been a really good experience. We've done a lot of different things, and it's much more fun and better than I expected it to be.
Hello, I'm Gemma, and I've been teaching the associate course this year with Emily. Mostly class and helping with choreography. We were doing company class, morning class with the company. And so we do a bar, we warm up the body, we start at the bar and then we come into the centre, practice a few of the steps for the performance this evening. So we're just getting our bodies nice and warm, getting our brains ready for a long day of rehearsals.
It's really good performance opportunity at the end of it all, and also you get to work with professional dancers, so it's really good.
Once a month I go from Aberystwyth to Newport on a Sunday, and for 5 hours I can't describe it, it's really changed my dance technique, my jumping style. They've realised all the things I've been doing wrong and I've been able to correct it, and it's just been brilliant. Yeah.